PSTV stock analysis and PSTV predictions for Monday. Is it a buy or is it not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. My prediction was on point and I have all the proof to back it up. All the proof. You can see the video that I made. It's connected with the Discord. And all I'm looking to do here is just... So looking back at PSTV, this supposedly should be the video, right? I don't know why it... Yeah, at the time it was sitting at 58 cents. It was made 4 days ago, 18th of March. And from this point onward, all I'm looking to do is just doubling down on this bullish market. I mean, you can see like it was 58 cents. I was aiming for 2, and that's exactly what's been happening. Just about didn't clear the highs. But yeah, next week, man, I'm just looking to still double down on this. Let me know what is your opinion. Gus showed you the proof, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet very lean way, then just click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter. Goodbye.